Well, welcome to another 101 poetry prompts. Today's prompt is Battleground. And our picture today is a little sketch I did with some kids sitting around after the blitz during World War II. The double-decker bus. Just a reminder that war isn't just about armies meeting out in the field and battling it out and then going home. War involves everybody, and everybody dies, and everybody's involved. And that's what today's story is about. And you're probably thinking, well, Memphis, you're talking about modern war. That's not the way it was back in the chivalrous days of old. Nay, that's the way it's always been. It's actually gotten better now. You know, back in the day, if you conquered a city, the tradition was the soldiers had a week or so to pillage the city, and the townspeople just expected it because they would have been doing the same thing. A fellow named Sun Tzu, if you're interested, Google it. You probably won't remember that name, but he's a Chinese general from like 5,000 years ago. And he wrote a book called The Art of War. And it's a pretty famous book. And he talks about the support needed by civilians in any war. Okay, here we go. Today's poem is 44, Battleground. Google casualties in about any war and the differences. And it is different than you figure. Compare the civilian and uniform casualties, and the civilian number is bigger. In both modern and ancient war, where the slings and arrows crack, lies the business end of the spear that reaches all the way back. Back to the farms and fields, the factories and the towns, the mines and the armories, with trucks moving things around. And then from Dresden to Atlanta, from Hiroshima to the Brits burning D.C., leveling the city supporting our foe, and 2,000 civilian ships all lost at sea. The battleground of the Atlantic, of the blitz and firebombing war, the pilots paid a hefty price, but the civilians suffered even more. The battleground is never isolated. On that famous San Juan Hill, there is another road up that mountain, yet still paved with courage and will. So when I'm thanked for my service, I don't get all red, white, and blue, because I know the battleground is bigger. And I know I should be thanking them too. Okay, that's today's poem. Let's see what we got tomorrow. No picnic. This is tomorrow's poem is about living in Colorado and going up the Colorado River with my dad on a survival hike. Pretty interesting. Hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.